what almost every single cuber does wrong. What's up guys, welcome back to Madishry, and today I'll be telling you what almost every single cuber does wrong and how to fix them. And what they all do wrong is they try to turn the cube as fast as you can. Well, you might say, turning the cube as fast as you can is obviously going to make you faster, but in reality, it's actually going to make you slower. So as you can see, on this solve, I have the full cross done and these two F12 pairs. So let's see what time I get. I will be going as fast as I can. As you can see, I finished F12. Here's OLO. OLO's finished, and finally PLO. That was a 14-second solve. While this guy, who appears to go a lot slower than me, gets a 10-second solve. How does that happen? To see how fast I actually go, I went into Adobe Premiere Pro and cut out every single time I paused in my solve. And after I cut out every single time, this was how fast I actually went. There we go. "9 seconds. Well, that means that if I just go a little bit slower, not pausing that much whatsoever at all, I could easily average under 20 seconds. And here's some solves to prove it. In this one, I got a 16. And in this solve, I got a 13. But how do you fix this problem? Well, one way is to record your solves. You can put your camera against a doorknob, go behind the doorknob, and solve your cube. Whenever you record your solve, you can see where you pause. As you can see, I see that I paused a lot in this cross. You can have a friend hold it, which is probably the best way. Another way is you can put it against a wall, then do your solve right behind that wall. Or you can put it right on your piano, go behind the piano, and solve it. You can use a J-pin way, which is to put your phone in a cup. It will be vertical, but it at least does a job. Gets you faster at cubing. And the final way to do it is you go to your stairs, go to this thing, put your phone right there. It fits perfectly on my stairs, and just record your solves. And then go to the part where you find a lot of pauses, which is most likely F12, and do it very, very slowly, not pausing at all. As you can see, this is really slow, but it at least does a job. That's how you get faster at the Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if this video helped you. But until next time, I'm Madishry.